Hello everyone, this is Nimit Kotian. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have uploaded Hosanna tutorial. Yes, you heard it right. It's right with you. So now make sure when you are learning the routine, you do it very well, practice well, and when you upload on your social media, please tag me at @Nimitkotian so that I can see the video and personally like and comment over there. Okay. So now have fun learning. Kill it. Good luck. And this hand, then this is my left hand. Okay. All right. So let's do it. Now you step left leg forward like that. Okay, so we just walk forward, 1 2. Okay, with the right hand on the chest, 5 6 7 8 1 2. All right, so now the line is Dillikasti. Okay, now from here there is a big tap. I want you guys to hit your right shoulder, 1 2. Okay, so 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Okay, one more time, 5 6 7 8. Dillikashiti Sham. Okay, that's the line. Now from here, now look at my foot. So I'm going to be taking my heel towards my right side, and then my toe, then my heel to the left side, and then my toe. Okay, so it's going to be like 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. And when you do this, I want you to slightly bend your both the knee. Okay, 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Now when you do this, I want you guys to go like 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's do it from the beginning. 6 7 8. Dillikashiti Sham pehle pahar jabki. Okay, so that's the step. One more time. 5 6 7 8. Dillikashiti Sham pehle pahar jabki. Okay, now from here you have to open your right leg and you have to walk back. Tumse mili thi. Okay, so the step is you place your right leg and then you place your left leg. Okay, one more time. 6 7 8. Tumse mili thi, and with your hand you go tumse mili thi. Okay, then you have to slide to the right side. Nazar. Okay, one more time. 6 7 8. Nazar. Okay, and your hand with the arm will be like that. Nazar. And you bend the right knee slightly and you go side. Okay, let's do it from here. पहले पहर जबकि तुमसे मिली थी नजर. Okay, now let's do it from the top. 6 7 8. दिलकशती हो शाम पहले पहर जबकि तुमसे मिली थी. One more time. 5 6 7 8. दिलकशती हो शाम पहले पहर जबकि तुमसे मिली थी नजर. Okay, now from here there is a bass which goes boom top. So I'm going to go boom. You have to lift your left leg up, boom, and with the hand goes boom. Okay, 5 6 7 8 boom. Okay, then one more time, boom. Now from here, lift your right hand up here and left here. Okay, so it's going to look like this. 1 2. Okay, one more time, 5 6 7 8 1 2. Okay, now let's do it from here. 7 8. Nazar the top. Okay, now let's do it from the top. 6 7 8. दिलकशती वो शाम पहले पहर जबकि तुमसे मिली थी नजर. The top. Okay, now the next line is ऐसा चक्कर आया. Now here, yeah, I want you guys to go like boom boom. Okay, double chest. 6 7 8. ऐसा चक्कर आया. Okay, one more time. 6 7 8. ऐसा चक्कर आया. Okay, so when you do this, I want you guys to tap your left leg and roll. 1 and 2. Join your right leg. Raya. Now from here, you have to lift your right leg up with your hand. 1 and cross them behind. Okay, so look at my leg. 1 2. One more time. 6 7 8 1 2. Okay, now let's do with the hand. After you finish the roll, 1 2. Okay, 1. Okay, so I take my right hand up, left hand down. 1 2. Now when you land on 2 with your leg, I want you guys to go hit your left hand. 2. Okay, all right, one more time. Let's do it from